Can dogs be trained for competitive obedience? This is a question that many dog owners ponder when considering how to enhance their pet's skills and abilities. Competitive obedience is a sport that showcases a dog's obedience and responsiveness to commands, and it requires both the right training techniques and the right mindset from the owner. In this article, we will explore the world of competitive obedience training for dogs and discuss whether or not they can be trained for this demanding sport. Competitive obedience is a popular dog sport where dogs and their handlers compete in various obedience exercises to demonstrate their training skills. The exercises typically include heeling, which involves the dog walking closely next to the handler without pulling on the leash, sitting and staying in different positions, coming when called, and performing various other commands, such as retrieving an item and jumping over hurdles. To excel in competitive obedience, dogs need to be not only intelligent and trainable, but also motivated to work and please their handlers. This requires a strong bond and trust between the dog and its owner, as well as consistent and positive training methods. So, can any dog be trained for competitive obedience? The answer is both yes and no. While all dogs can be trained to some extent, not all dogs are suitable for competitive obedience. Certain breeds are known for their exceptional obedience and trainability, such as Border Collies, German Shepherds, and Golden Retrievers. These breeds have been selectively bred for their working abilities and often excel in obedience training. However, this does not mean that other breeds or mixed breed dogs cannot succeed in competitive obedience. The key factors that determine a dog's success in competitive obedience are its temperament, drive, and the effort put into its training. Temperament plays a significant role in a dog's ability to work under pressure and handle the distractions often encountered during competitions. A dog must be confident, social, and able to focus on its handler amidst the excitement and noise. Additionally, a dog must have a sufficient drive and motivation to work, as competitive obedience requires intense focus and precision. Training a dog for competitive obedience requires time, patience, and a variety of training methods. The training should start at a young age, as early socialization and basic training lay the foundation for obedience skills. Positive reinforcement training is the preferred method, rewarding desired behaviors with treats, praise, and play. This helps create a positive association with the training and encourages the dog to repeat the desired behaviors. In addition to positive reinforcement, the use of markers, such as a clicker, can be beneficial in teaching precise behaviors. Clicker training involves using a small device that makes a distinct click sound to mark the exact moment when the dog does the desired behavior correctly. The click is followed by a reward, reinforcing the association between the behavior and the reward. Training sessions should be short, frequent, and filled with rewards to keep the dog engaged and motivated. Consistency and patience are key, as it may take time for the dog to understand and perfect each exercise. Breaking down the exercises into smaller steps and gradually increasing the difficulty level helps the dog progress and build confidence. Another crucial aspect of competitive obedience training is proofing the dog's skills. This entails practicing in various environments and gradually introducing distractions to ensure that the dog can maintain focus and perform reliably no matter the circumstances. Training in new locations, around other dogs and people, and in the presence of different sounds and smells will help prepare the dog for the distractions encountered during a competition. Lastly, it is essential to mention that competitive obedience training is not suitable for every dog or owner. It requires a significant time commitment, dedication, and a genuine passion for the sport. The training process can be mentally and physically demanding for both the dog and the handler, and it may not be enjoyable for every dog or handler pair. In conclusion, while not every dog is suitable for competitive obedience, with the right temperament, drive, and training, most dogs can excel in this demanding sport. It is crucial to start training early, use positive reinforcement methods, and gradually introduce distractions to proof the dog's skills. Ultimately, competitive obedience training is a rewarding experience that strengthens the bond between a dog and its owner and showcases the exceptional abilities of our four-legged companions.